Tired of complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your ultimate kitchen game changer, making gourmet meals effortless. Imagine having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more, all in one sleek appliance, saving you precious counter space and simplifying meal prep. And with 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to soup, getting perfect results every time is absolutely foolproof. No more guesswork. Just set it and forget it. Ideal for busy weeknights or mastering new recipes with confidence. Its durable stainless steel inner pot isn't just non-stick. It's also incredibly easy to clean and built to last for years. This isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's an investment in healthier, happier mealtimes. Ready to upgrade? Find the best deal by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. The Instant Pot Duo Plus truly stands out as the best kitchen companion for efficiency, versatility, and delicious cooking. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine in 2025 and create incredible dishes with minimal effort, this is the one to buy. I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's a game changer you won't regret adding to your home.